Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to connect Pixelverse to Bitget. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Telegram application. Now open Pixel tab by Pixelverse, click on Launch Bot. This is going to open up this page. On this page, click on the wallet icon at the top, that is the first icon. Now you will see a list of wallets. In this, choose Bitget. So click on Bitget wallet. This is going to open up this page. On this page, click on Yes, I have it. Now close this application, navigate to Bitget. After opening a Bitget application, click on the deposit option just right here. Now choose deposit crypto, go to the search bar and search for USDT. Select USDT, click on choose network, choose ERC20. Now click on this copy icon just right here, close this, navigate back to Telegram and paste the address we just copied here. Click on made it. And after the verification is done, you can see my Bitget wallet is connected to Pixelverse. So that's how you can connect Pixelverse to Bitget. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.